working in assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Residence College of Technology. In the lecture series, in the last lecture series, we have discussed about the significance of parabolic trough systems. Now we are going to see the working of the parabolic trough systems. So, coming to the parabolic trough systems, here we are using the DT based approach for this parabolic trough system. Okay. So, descending based. So, first let us see what is the working of an solar parabolic trough system. So, in the parabolic trough system, there is an reflective surface which is in curved shape. Okay. So, here there is a receiver through which the fluid is passing inside. When the fluid is passing inside this receiver, so it is getting heated by the rays which are falling, the direct radiation which are falling on this tube. But the amount of the radiation falling on this particular tube is very, very less. So, we are using this reflecting surface so that what happens is, all the solar radiation is falling on this curved surface is reflected towards this particular collector area. So, if it is made like that, as the fluid is passing through this, so the more amount of heat is getting reflected to this pipe so that the water or the fluid medium is getting heated. So, this is the working of a parabolic trough system. But if we are going an approach with the descending based thing, here the solar energy which is obtained from the sun is not falling in a particular place. If you take in the morning hours, the radiation is less, but in the noon it is very high, but in the evening hours it is again becoming lesser. So, according to variation to the solar radiation, how these parabolic troughs can be moved. If this is a fixed one, this is my empathy. If this reflecting surface is fixed, but only at the noon times we can get maximum amount of this solar radiation will be observed. But throughout the day, how to observe this? So, this is the empathy made. So, how to sort out this empathy? So, to sort out this empathy, to increase more radiation to be falling on this, we are using this tracking mechanism. Okay. So, what is the purpose of this tracking mechanism is, this reflective surface can rotate. This reflecting surface can rotate. So, by using some sensors, what happens is, when the intensity of the solar radiation is lesser, then automatically this tracking mechanism makes the perpendicular, this curved surface to tilt or to move. So, what happens? So, the radiation will be coming towards this reflecting surface. So, here the major important thing is beam radiation. So, the radiation which is falling towards this reflecting surface should be at 90 degree. The ray should be at 90 degree, so that maximum amount of radiation obtained will be reflected towards this pipe. So, this is the empathy. So, to get an idea, we are using this tracking mechanism to overcome this empathy. Okay. So, this is the parabolic trough system, where what is the advantage of this parabolic trough system? Another important thing what we have to note here is, this parabolic trough can be extended to an required length, and also we can increase the number of parabolic troughs. We can use a single trough or we can use a multiple trough. We can use how many number of troughs can be increased with the amount of heat which is required and according to our application. And then this tracking mechanism is very, very important. Okay. So, this parabolic trough system is coming under the non-concentrating collectors. Okay. So, in nowadays, if you go for India in geographical places, if you take Ooty, it is a very place where it is always cold and the extreme conditions weather are throughout the year is not good. But if you take some Thar desert or Rajasthan, there the more intention of radiation, solar radiation is very high. So, we can plan this parabolic trough systems at that particular area where the solar radiation is very, very high. So, in that places what happens, if solar radiation is high, so the amount of observed heat and then the conversion of the heat is utilized. Okay. So this parabolic trough system, where it is applied is we can use in the thermal power plants. Okay, instead of using a fuel, we can use a solar power plant to overcome the issues. So this is the working of a parabolic trough system. Thank you.